Hi, I wanted to show you a new project we've added to CodeSpace. It's called Get Graphical, and it's something a lot of our users have asked for, which is a way to do your own custom graphics and images on the microbit. We show you how to bounce balls around the screen, how to create your own icons, and at the end of it, it's a really awesome rage game that you build yourself. So I wanted to show you a few programs you're going to write along the way as you learn about graphics on the microbit. And the first one is called Termites. I really love this one. It shows you how to fill up the display, all the LEDs lit, and then as the program runs, randomly, it's going to clear LEDs on the screen. So let's give it a run. Okay, you can see the screen filled up and LEDs are clearing one by one. And finally, come on now, the last one gets cleared. Okay, the next program I want to show you is called Mega Bounce, and I wanted to show you stepping through some of this code. We're actually lighting up pixels one at a time. First program that we show about bouncing is just bouncing to the left and right, and this one bounces off of all four walls. So you get to move X and Y coordinates around the screen here, and we're just stepping through. And as I step, you can see where X gets a direction added to it. So it's adding 1 to X as it goes through, checks to see if it's at the edge of the screen, and if it is, it's going to reverse the direction. So now you can see how the pixel lights up at those XY coordinates, sleep for a bit, and then we clear it. And as we step through, you can just watch down there at the bottom the variables changing, either X or Y, going up or down. So let's just run it and see what happens. So there you have it. Really nice, fast bouncing off of all four walls. The final program in the Get Graphical project starts with a mission. You've been hired by a famous game design studio to create a game called Gate Runner, and it starts with a concept sketch. And this is a rage game, so it's going to be fast, difficult, but fun. And the very first step is to create a set of walls that move downward through the screen. This is called a vertical scroller type of game. So the code here is relatively simple. We create a wall using the graphical techniques you've learned earlier in the project, and then get into a loop and shift the whole field down. So we've got the code written here. It was actually running previously. Let's stop it and start it again and see what we've got. So there you have it. We've got walls falling down the screen. Okay, now I've got my experienced playtester lined up here, and all you have to do is load the code into the microbit, and let's go. And the game's going to start. Dodge those walls. Nice going. I don't hear enough rage going on yet. That's what I'm talking about. So there you have it. Score, a game that speeds up, and a lot of ways you can remix and improve and expand what you've learned in this project. Hope you guys have fun with Get Graphical.